Guys, ini tempat ngeheal itu ada kan ya? Yang status-status itu ada nggak ya? Ntar guys, mana ya? Nggak ada ya? Ini bukan sih guys? Ini buat bangunin orang mati ya? Oh bukan guys. Suna aja berarti. Terus kita istirahat aja. Tapi harusnya Suna nggak usah nggak sih guys? Dinaikin. Kalau ngilangin ini nggak ya? Save. Talk to the king. Katanya suruh talk to the king, you know. Apa hehehe wae lu. Wah ini gonna die guys. Bapaknya ya itu ya. To us of each of you, please listen carefully. You've grown so strong. Oh ini anaknya. I want you to lead our army. Do all you can to help Hilda. My liege, I swear it on my very life. Minwu, you know of the legend that speak of an ultimate magic. It's been sealed away, and the seal may only be broken when the world stands at the brink of destruction. I believe that time has come. Do you agree? I do. The time to break the seal, binding the ultimatum, is upon us. Kalau kata dia, Firion, I would have you go to Days, home of the Dragoon. I was told that all of the dragons were slain in an attack by the Empire. Yet, I refuse to believe there could be no survivor in so noble a group. If we are to stand against the might of the Empire, I'm convinced we will need the dragons and their wyverns. If you combine your efforts, the day of our victory will come. This I ask of each of you. Take care of Hilda. Come on. Oh no. He gonna die, bro. He gonna die. Rest in peace, Majesty, Your Majesty. Gila. Langsung laib dari dunia, boy. Jadi debu. We should save our tears for another time. We must carry out the king's last wishes. We each have our duties. Let them not go unfulfilled. Oh, Your Majesty, come on, man.